How's it going, guys? Today is day 18th of the road to $5,000 in 30 days. First order, I started late-ish, a little bit later than yesterday, like an hour later. I started at 10 a.m. I woke up late. My body, I trained. My body got really beat up. Didn't feel it till like in the morning. I had the adrenaline rush. I didn't really feel it. So I trained, I worked out, I got home, I ate, showered, whatever. Boom. Didn't update the video till today and everything, but I posted it. And some people need to learn how to drive. Yeah. So I was exhausted. I took the girls to daycare a little bit late, and as soon as I dropped them off, I started working. I started working at 10, and I got my first order was to Woodstock. It was only one drop off. It was $24.82 if I remember correctly, but I'm not too sure. I'll put it right here. And then I got another order. It was like $39 and a couple cents. Sam's Club. It was two drop offs. I just dropped off one. $10 they tipped me extra, so I ended up making it 49, almost $50 for that one, you know. Yeah, almost $50 for that one. So far so good. And now we just gotta keep hustling. I'm gonna drop out the second one. Hopefully I get a cash chip. I don't know yet, but I think as of right now, that's I think I'm at around $73 so far in an hour and 45 minutes. So once I drop this off, it's gonna be an hour and 45 minutes. So not even the 2-hour mark, and I'm almost around $75. So far, pretty much good day. There's a lot of incentives. There's a incentive from the 18th to the 24th. The .com orders is that once you go inside, and you have to you get like 10, 12 orders. You have to distribute them. If you do 9 of those from here to the 24th. You get $72 extra, and then if you do the shop and deliveries, which I love doing, you get I think like another like $24. You have to do like 6 of them, I think. I haven't received any of them, but I'm gonna try to get all the incentives. And then today, just alone, whichever order you do, if you do 9, you get I believe you get like 36ish. I will be uploading it around here, all of them, so you guys can see. But yeah, I'm gonna try to hit all the incentives. If I get those, some more money, whatever. Today I'm aiming for 200, 220. 220 will be like nice, because it will put me even higher to like go back to making 166 if I want to and be lazy. But if not, 200 is perfectly fine, because I made 260 yesterday. It was more than I should have made, or more than I had calculated for me to make. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys. Okay, just a quick update. I dropped off that order. So I dropped it off to a jump zone place where like little kids play. I take my daughter there all the time. And the drop-off location it's actually really close to Sam's Club. Like maybe a minute or two of a drive. And I was wondering, like, why did the app make me go drop off the other one first, which was like 10-ish minutes away, like way further. And then this one. But then I got another Sam's order, which is $22, and you know what? Maybe that's the reason why they wanted me to end closer to Sam's to get another order, which I did. But like I said, I jumped up to that jump zone place, and I know a lot of people who work there. I know the manager. I know and I didn't know one of my old friends worked there too, and he hooked it up with some Gatorade and water. Super cool. He gave it to me, so like, hey, now I'll keep myself hydrated. I'm gonna go to Sam's right now. I got another order, which was $22, so puts me around 97-ish bucks. I'll double check, but I'll get back to it. Okay, guys, so I ended up getting a $26 and a couple cents order. I was super close to the Walmart, and this is the Walmart that made me not literally have a whole week kind of off and not really work. Cause man, they're making me wait so much. I've been here for half an hour now. There's literally no cars. I'm getting so frustrated. Like, I don't even want to. They used to be one of the fastest Walmarts, and like now it makes me like not want to come to this Walmart anymore. I'm so close to dropping it and just go back to like Woodstock and Sam's, and that there was only 3 hours in, which my hourly rate was pretty good, but it's gonna bring my hourly rate back to 25 bucks. I was averaging like 40 something an hour. Oh my god, I'm literally fed up. I called them like 3 times and they said that I'm checked in, they have my order, but they still haven't came out. Like, it's so stupid. Okay, so a quick update. I ended up dropping that Johnsburg order, which was 26 bucks. Thank God I did not record my reaction. I was getting so angry. I called them multiple times. I waited there for like 35-40 minutes, so I wasted 40 minutes, and then I dropped it. I called support. They gave me $2.50 for waiting there, which is stupid, but whatever. And then so I ended up getting a $25 order from Woodstock, and I took it. The drive was like 25 minutes, so I ended up wasting like what, an hour and 5 minutes basically. As soon as I got to Woodstock, I got the order right away and I dropped it off. It took me like, literally I parked and then they show up. They're so quick. And so the order itself, when I got there, it took me like 10 minutes max to drop it off. And I just got another $25 order. So I guess I wasted an hour and 5 minutes. But this hour, I guess this second hour, I'm about to make 50 bucks. So it should rebuild me. It's gonna put me to 150 in 5 hours. So that's around 31-ish an hour. Well, it depends how fast I do this, because they seem like they're coming right now and it'll be pretty quick. I'll get back to you guys.